Got one right in front of me. Right in front of me. He's going a little nuts. Sometimes they do that. First one today. Let's see if I can put my pole down. There we go. First smallmouth of the day. Beautiful little fish. Beauty, I'd say 13. I guess 13. I actually have my tape measure today. Yep, right around 13. Oh, there's one. Oh, my drag. Oh, catch up with it. There's one. He's not bad. Oh, he almost got a little foul hooked. It's probably about 4 casts after my last one. A little bit smaller. I'd say he's probably 11 and a half, 12. Pretty cool though. There's one. Got him by the back hook only. Oh. Another little guy. Probably about a foot or less. 11 to 12 inch. I think I missed that big one on that first hit that I missed. He might be out there though. There's one. Oh, that's a nicer one. That's a nicer one. That's a nicer one. I thought there had to be one on that bank. Look at that guy. I'm guessing 16, solid 16 on that one. Just right in the corner of the mouth. He got hooked. That's a pretty fish. Another look at that guy. Nice smallmouth right there. Beautiful. I'm guessing 16 at least. 16 at least, somewhere around there. It's like 16 and change, just a little bit over 16. Close to 17. Beautiful fish. There he goes. There's one. There's one. Finally, he choked it. He got trouble on both sides of his mouth. That one's barely hooked. nice smallmouth. Probably 12 and a half, 13. Bronze. Nice bronze color. Pretty fish. There he goes. Got him. Got him. Feels like a decent fish. Not bad. Maybe a little bit better than average. Probably about a 13. Let's say it's a 13. Let's see. Let's see if I'm guessing right. A little bit bigger. 13 and some change. Pretty bronze smallmouth. Oh, he's feisty. He's ready to go. There's one. There's one. Just a little guy. He smoked that pretty good though. Probably the littlest of the day. Darker though. Dark little guy. He put up a fight though because he had both trebles all over him. Get bigger. Got a little bit of a lure change. Oh, the old Heddon Tiny Torpedo. First time using it. Let's see what happens. There's one. Finally. Finally. Oh, finally. Oh, barely got him. Oh, he went between my legs. Went between my legs. That took way too long. Oh, finally on the Tiny Torpedo. Got one. Woo! Pretty fish. 13 inches bronze. Good fish. Changing lures now. Alright, now we've got 1/8 ounce green with some fleck. Buzzbait. No trailer hook. See if we can get lucky. No trailer hook, like I said. That's gonna happen. There we go. There we go. Oh, nice fish. Nice fish. Oh, fuck yeah. Woo. Felt nicer. He hit like a ton of bricks. Look at that guy. Chunkier 12-incher, 13-incher, a lot that size. Pretty fish. I wonder how many I missed having that Tiny Torpedo on. Pretty. Look at that thing. There he goes. Got one. Right when it hit the water. Right when it hit the water. Oh, it feels like a decent one. Feels like a decent fish. Oh, here it comes. Oh. Right when it hit the water. Let me get my line. Woo! That doesn't give you a rush. Something wrong with you. The second I turned the bail over, he was there. Look at that guy. His tail's a little beat up, maybe spawning. Beautiful fish. Eating something. Got something in his mouth. Looks like a baby. Can't tell if it might be a baby frog. Well, at least we know what he likes. There he goes. Big old blow up. Big blow up. Oh, yep. Whew. Look at that guy. Beautiful orange, bronze, smallmouth. He smoked that thing. Barely even hooked. Barely even hooked. Whew. Beautiful. Awesome. Puppy time. Whew. Puppy time. Lure change. Alright, we got the Zara Puppy on right now. Bulldog color. Yellow belly. This thing's pretty much brand new, but these hooks are kind of notorious for not being the best, so they're sharp, but they bend pretty easily. We'll see what happens. Oh, that thing blew it up and missed it. Missed it again. Got it. Got him. Oh, he hit it about 5 times. Oh, Jesus. Barely got him hooked. He's only got the back hook. Got him. Whew. My pole and my hip boots. That's why he got it. He got that treble hook completely inside his mouth. Look at that guy. A little bit bigger. He wanted it. He hit it so hard. 3, 4 times. I thought I would miss him for sure. Feisty little guy. He's ready to go. Beautiful fish. Probably 14. Maybe 15, a little bit bigger than 14 maybe. Beauty. There he goes. Whew. That was awesome. Got him. Got him. Oh. I wanted to get one more on this before I got to the bridge. There we go. Show him off for the camera quick. It took a little while. Getting a little wet. There we go. Nice fish. Probably another 14, 13, 14. He hit it pretty good. You can see that hole in his mouth where he got that whole treble hook through it. There he goes, swimming right off. Alright, last little stretch I'm going to fish today. We're back to the old beat up pre-Rapala Storm Rattlin Chug bug. This thing has caught me more smallmouth. Whew, countless. You can see how beat it up it is. Paint's worn off from where the hooks are up against it. Still catches fish though. Oh, right there in front of me. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Right in front of me. Look at that pig. I was just thinking about that first one today that hit right in front of me, and then this guy showed up out of nowhere. Beautiful fish. He's at least 17, I'm guessing. I'll measure him. Right in front of me. Big old fish. Amazing. There are always some hanging out by this bridge. That's why it's usually my goal when I'm walking. Oh, he's a little shorter than I thought. Oh, he's right there. "16, 17 inches. 16 and change, probably. Get him right to 17. One last look at this beauty. Woo! Look at that guy. What a fish. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. There he goes. Swimming right off. You can still see him. You can still see him in the water over there. Got him. Last fish of the day. I said one more, that's all I want. Pooping on me a little bit. He's about the slot average out here. Good day. Here he goes.